It's kind of hard to imagine a floodplain taking place inside of a channelized stream going through the middle of the city. And yet, that is what I'm standing on right now. When one thinks about channelized streams, stuff like the cities, man-made engineering, stuff like that comes to mind. And yet there's some things to be studied in the realm of geography in terms of channelized streams. And a floodplain can occur inside of a channelized stream. This piece of land adjacent this stream is very small, but it is an example of how a floodplain can occur inside of a channelized stream going through the city. It's important to understand that a floodplain is formed by deposition. It is a depositional landform. In understanding that, it can be understood how a floodplain could occur inside of a channelized stream. Look at the gravel, look at all these rocks and the sediments that are in this particular stream. And then look at this stream moving. Look at it flowing. This is how erosion and deposition work. You have the erosion. You have sediments being eroded. You have rocks being moved, being broken down. With weathering and erosion taking place further upstream, downstream, deposition is taking place. With sediments and gravel just being moved by the water, deposition occurs. The rocks, the gravel, the dirt, the sediments, and the silt, it just keeps being piled on. It keeps being piled on to the banks, and then you have something like this forming. And you can see grass and other plants starting to grow out of it. Makes it a little harder for this particular piece of land to be washed away in the event of a flood. A floodplain is a piece of land located adjacent to a river or stream. It stretches from the banks of that river or stream to the enclosing wall of a valley. Or in this case, this small little cliff. You have a little piece of land that's being enclosed by this little cliff, and it's located adjacent to this stream. What happens is that in events of heavy rainfall and flooding, a lot of gravel, other sediments being brought from upriver, and it just keeps piling on and depositing. And floodplains often occur on the inside of river meanders. On the outside of a meander, there is erosion taking place. And on the inside, you have deposition. You get enough deposition, you can get a floodplain. With enough deposition, it is possible for a floodplain to take place inside of a channelized stream. It just takes the right ingredients for it to come together. If you like this video, be sure to check out other videos on this channel, and as always, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.